Jatropha की cutting से plantation करना बिल्कुल easy है। आपको बस कुछ simple steps follow करने हैं। Cutting kaise लेंगे। पहले आपको एक healthy Jatropha plant से 12 to 15 inch की cutting लेनी। Cutting का lower end जहां से आपको काटना है उसको sharp knife से slant cut कर देना है। Cutting PE leaves भी रखना है लेकिन उनको थोड़ा सा trim कर देना है so that the plant can focus on root development.
Cutting KO prepare karine. Cutting KO rooting hormone powder main dip cardina high so that it grows roots quickly. Cutting ko ek plastic bag mine peat mos ya vermicompost se bar car. Moist environment mine rakdena hay. Bag ko ek sunny place mine rakdena hay. But direct sunlight se protect kana hay. Plantation, 1 to 2 weeks main. Cutting main roots develop ho jayenge.
आप अभी cutting को soil main plant का सकते हो. Plant cutting KO 12 to 18 inches apart रखना है. Cutting को regular water देना है, but overwatering से बचाओ. Jatropha को grow करने के लिए climate. Jatropha is a drought-resistant plant, so it can grow in dry climates. But it needs a warm climate with at least 6 months of sunshine and a minimum temperature of 10 degrees Celsius. It can tolerate some frost, but not for long periods. Well-drained soil is important for Jatropha to grow.
Jatropha plants are easy to maintain. They need regular pruning to keep them healthy and encourage growth. You can also fertilize them with organic manure or compost. Jatropha की कटिंग से प्लांटेशन करना आपके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद हो सकता है. This is a sustainable way to grow this valuable plant which has many uses. Thank you. Bye-bye.